final little issue. Just received the slats that weren't delivered with the machine. Just received them in the post this morning, and all of them go in apart from two, and that is because if you look there, that slot has not been bent. It's probably been bent, cut out correctly, but when they form this and weld everything together, it's just bent in here. You can see the gap there is absolutely fine, goes in absolutely no problem there, but it bends in at the top. So I've now got to get some one of my cutters out and enlarge that slot, so that will actually go in. And I've got exactly the same problem over there. You can see, well, you might not be able to see, but I can see that the slot at the back, that distance right at the back here, is wider than the front. So again, that's not going to go in there. So it's just attention to detail, really. That should have been spotted when this was being set up, ready to come out to the customer. These should have been put in place, or at least tested, because I cannot believe that this is this is the only machine that this has ever happened to. So another annoying little thing, but I'll get the grinder out and I'll just have to open that up. It's obviously going to take the paint off. Actually, if you look closely at this one and catch the light, you can see that there's a weld here, and it's not been done very well. You see it there? It's all rough and raised. It's just been sprayed over, so it's not very well made. And really, they should have had locating pins here and here for the honeycomb. If there had been a little raised stud at each side here, we can just slot the honeycomb in and hold it in place on the studs, whereas at the moment it's just free to move around wherever. So that might be something I'll do. Actually, you can see the same welding here. Actually, it's not level at all. It's all rough. So it's just what you're going to get out of China. Hopefully, I think you can see that the light's just catching it just along here. So it's not been done properly or with any care, and you can see we've got a big difference in the width from here, compared to the piece there. So we'll get the Dremel out and we'll give that a go. Just open those up. They'll just be bare metal then. So there we go. Just one more thing to sort out. Okay, quick bit of dremeling down the end there, and that is in, and same with this end. Getting all a bit rattly. Might there's not much I can do. They're not going to go anywhere once there's something on top. So how often I'll use the slats, not really sure at this stage. But that's it, all finished finally. I think we've just sprayed some trial slate coasters, one gloss, one matte and one plain, just on the back. We'll just do a test engraving on the back, see which is the best, and we'll go from there. I'll be filming that in a day or two.